Okay, well, I'm in the parking lot of our auto parts store. Told you guys it's probably the window switch, no? So, let's fucking find out, shall we? Just pull that out. Let's get this. And then put the button out. Might have to get my screwdriver. Let's see here. There's that. I can make sure I have the orientation right here. Like that. Then you just plug it in, pop it in, and then we'll find out if it works now. Let's see. It works. So I did all that work with replacing the window motor, replaced the window motor, and it was the goddamn motherfucking button. That's how long replacing a button takes you. It should only take like 2 minutes. Alright? Easy shit today, guys. So now I can drive around with both my windows down because I don't have AC. I'm not a real big fan of it. I don't know, that's just me. It reduces the power of your car anyways while it's running. I don't like it. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video and peace.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Zane Gotti and I, Hazel, appreciate it.